So to show me how you did on your cubes, I'd like you to download a PNG of your cubes from a good angle. This would be a pretty good angle showing that they really are cubes, and I would like you to personalize it. So if you've moved your name over to the left, we can move that back now. So I'm going to press M on my keyboard and select, and I'm going to try and move it. Now, moving things directly where you want them to go doesn't always work very well. And I'd like you to learn how to move things along the axes. So as you can see here, I'm moving along the green axis, which is bringing it down to this side of the cubes. And I click. I'm going to do that again, and this time move it on the red axis. And that will bring it right over here. Now it's a little bit big for the cubes that I have. Yours may be any size. I'm going to press S for scale and grab a corner. That way it will keep the proportions, and I'm going to bring it. Now if I hold down my Alt key or Control key, it will go towards the center. So I can do that. Again, holding down Control will center it. And when I click again, it's that new size. I'm going to press M to move and just kind of center it a little bit and bring it a little bit closer. If you drew it on a different plane, you might have to do some rotating, but I would love to see your PNG of your cubes personalized with your name, as much of it as you were able to draw, from about this angle, showing it going off into the distance. Those guides are there so I can tell exactly where you drew it. To do that download, you simply click on the three little lines there, download the PNG version. So you get this view as an image. Whatever the resolution is, it should be fine. Don't change it. And we are going to then export as a PNG. So that has been downloaded, and it automatically gave it a name. This should go into your Scratch folder so that you can find it for adding to the Google Classroom. It's already got a good name right there, but you need to put it where you'll be able to find it. So I'm going to press Control X and find my Scratch folder. So if I go to Documents, I believe I have one here in my OneDrive. There's Scratch, and I'll paste it right in there. So I've got a PNG version of my cubes that will have my name right there.